Transform your life at any age. Are you ready to take charge of your life, no matter where you are in your journey? In this video, I'll share practical life lessons, inspiring stories, and actionable tips to help you create the life you deserve. Whether you're 25, 45, or 75, it's never too late to reinvent yourself. Comment below, what's one step you're taking to transform your life today? Subscribe for weekly inspiration, life advice, and transformative tips. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, it's too late for me? Let me stop you right there. Whether you're 20 or 70, you can absolutely transform your life. You see, life isn't a straight line. It's a series of chapters. And no matter how far along you are, you can rewrite the story. So today, let me share a few lessons I've learned that can help you take that first step, no matter where you are in life. Stick with me. You might just walk away with the blueprint to a life you didn't think was possible. Transformation starts with asking yourself one simple question: what do I really want? Not what society wants, not what your family expects, what you want. When I was 30, I thought I had it all figured out. A stable job, a nice house, the usual checklist. But something was missing. I felt like I was living someone else's life. So I grabbed a pen, sat down, and asked myself, if everything was possible, what would my dream life look like? That question was the first domino. Here's the thing, if you don't take the time to listen to yourself, you'll keep running in circles. So give yourself the gift of quiet time. Take a walk, journal, meditate, whatever it takes to connect with the real you. Change is uncomfortable, I won't sugarcoat it. But guess what? Growth and comfort can't live in the same house. When I turned 50, I decided to learn something new, playing the guitar. Did I feel ridiculous at first? Sure. Did I mess up a lot? Absolutely. But you know what? The joy of starting something new reminded me that it's never too late to become a beginner again. Whatever your age, embrace that awkward beginner stage. Whether it's learning a new skill, moving to a new city, or even just meeting new people. Every time you step out of your comfort zone, you prove to yourself that you're capable of more than you think. Big transformations are built on small actions. Let me tell you about my friend Jim. At 42, he decided he wanted to get healthy, but instead of diving into a crash diet or an intense workout plan, he started with one simple rule: take a 10-minute walk every day. It didn't seem like much, but that small habit led to others. A year later, he'd lost weight, had more energy, and was thriving. You don't need a dramatic overhaul to transform your life. Start small: one healthier meal, 1 hour less of screen time, one conversation with someone who inspires you. Success doesn't happen overnight. It happens daily in the little choices you make. If there's one thing I've learned, it's this: you can always make more money, but you can never make more time. So ask yourself, how are you spending yours? Are you investing it in things that truly matter? Or are you wasting it on distractions that won't matter a year from now? At the end of the day, the quality of your life isn't measured by what you have. It's measured by the connections you make, the moments you cherish, and the legacy you leave behind. Don't wait for some perfect moment to start living fully. The time is now. You've got this. No matter your age, your background, or your mistakes, you have the power to change your life. Start small, be consistent, and trust the process. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. If this video spoke to you, leave a comment below sharing one small step you're going to take today. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights to help you live your best life. Let's transform together.